Talk to me. Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is lachelletrends, and sis, in today's video I'm coming to you with a Walmart haul. Your girl is excited about this Walmart haul, sis, because I have not done a Walmart haul in forever. Like, girl, it seems like a long time. I felt like Walmart had been slipping on their spring/summer wear. I felt like the stuff just wasn't hitting the mark for me. But now, girl, we done got free assembly. We don't have Scoop yet, but we got the brand free assembly. So I found some really cute things. I'll try to have what I can linked down below. And as you guys already know, you're gonna come shopping with me at first, so you'll get to see what my store has to offer. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. On my channel, I do fashion videos, hair videos, as well as playing makeup. So go ahead and join the gang, sis, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of each video I post. So yeah, girl, let's jump into it. First thing that I got, this really pretty orange dress. I really love this dress, sis, just because of the fact I love the orange color, and bold colors are definitely on trend this summer. So yeah, why not? So this dress is in a size medium and from the brand Free Assembly, and it was $36. It is a little pricey, but it's worth it because the material on this dress is so nice. Like, it's like thick structured material. It's just quality, sis. It does feel like quality. The sleeves are like this puffer type sleeve. You can choose to wear it on your shoulder or off the shoulder. I kind of wore it off the shoulder because I thought it was cuter that way, but I mean, both ways is cute, but off the shoulder was just cuter to me. But anyway, so yeah, I wore it off the shoulder, and then in the center it has like this I wanted to say ruching, but it's like a textured type or whatever. I don't even know how to explain it, but it's kind of like ruching, and it's very stretchy, but just really cute. And then it just goes back into the regular, you know, texture or whatever. It as well has pockets, which I didn't know until just now. So you can stick your hand in here, and I love a dress with pockets. I think that's really cute, so I will utilize that. But it's a midi dress, or a little bit longer than a midi, but it's just really cute. So it's like the perfect little dress to go on a picnic, if you want to go to brunch. Just really cute. I styled it color block style because, again, that is on trend. So I have a green bag and then some green sandals and green earrings, and it just tied together so well. Next is this set. Girl, this set is super cute, and again, bold colors all summer long. So this set is from the brand Madden Nyc, and I got this set in a size medium, both the top and the bottom, and they come as separates. So you can kind of mix match because they did have another color. I think 2 other colors. I think it also came in black and like this cream color, and of course I chose to get it in this pretty orange red color, I believe. Just super cute. So starting with the top first, the top is like this, well, the whole thing is like this knitted material, but the top has like a design going on, and then it as well has fringe at the bottom, and then it has some buttons or whatever. The buttons kind of make it look cheap. I probably would have rather it not even have the buttons, but I mean, it is what it is. It's still cute. And the size medium fits me fairly well. I would say you need to wear darker undergarments because it does have holes, and it's kind of not even kind of see-through, it is see-through, so you do want to wear darker undergarments. But it's super cute, sis. And then as well, it pairs with these red shorts, or red orange shorts. But yeah, super cute. It as well has like the little fringe on the drawstring. And again, y'all, you want to wear darker undergarments because you are able to see your underwear underneath it, but not as bad, but you will be able to see it, especially once you get in the sunlight or whatever. But they're super cute. I think the pants are definitely a good quality. I think the top is good quality as well, but it kind of feels slightly different. But overall, it's really cute. Girl, I didn't even tell you the price. So I already told you I got it in a size medium, and the price is $15 for the bottom. Let me see what the top was. The top is $13.50. So $13.50 for the top, and then $15 for the bottom. But girl, the set is just super cute. Again, I wanted to like do color blocking because that's in, and it just looks super cute. So yeah, I just wore some yellow earrings, a yellow bag, and then I actually had some sandals this color, so I went ahead and wore those, and yeah, everything just tied in and looked cute together. So we have us another cute set. Like, sis, this set is super cute. So I got it in this sage green set color. It also came in like a pink and orange color as well, but I just opted to get this color. So starting with the top first. So the top is from the brand Free Assembly in a size medium, and it was $16. And girl, it's just super cute. The material is like this terry cloth material. At first glance and touch, I feel like this is kind of more so a beach outfit, like, you know, a walk on the beach or something like that. I kind of feel like you could wear this on a regular day if you wanted to go run errands and throw this on, you could, but I think it's a perfect setting outfit for the beach, just given the type of material. But yeah, it has like this little, it was supposed to be like a little polo shirt or whatever. It fits me nicely for the most part because I like to have like oversized stuff. If you want a more like tight fitting, I would opt to get like, you know, a size down or whatever. But in my opinion, the medium fits me fairly well. Just super cute. At first I thought it was like a crop top, but it's really not. It's really just kind of like a boxy top, but super cute. And then it pairs with these shorts, the matching shorts, and these again are from Free Assembly, a size medium, and the shorts were $14. Again, y'all, the same material as you can see. Just super cute. Shorts, they're not too short as well. I don't really like my shorts to be short. I kind of like them medium short, if that makes sense. So the shorts was just perfect to me. It as well has like a little split on the side, just super cute. And then I paired this with like a fanny pack just to dress it down some, and then some sneakers, and it's just a easygoing outfit. So next I put together this cute little outfit. So let's start with the top first. So the top is from the brand Free Assembly, and I got it in a size medium, and the price was $10. So I feel like that is a good price for just, you know, a simple t-shirt. But yeah, I got this t-shirt because I really love the color pattern. Again, y'all, color blocking is in, and this was just like right up my alley. So we have blue, we have like a mustard color and orange, and it just all tied in so pretty together. Again, y'all, it's in a size medium. It fits me fairly well. I probably could have got a size large just because, again, y'all, I like oversized things. But I mean, I guess it fits, you know, fine. It's in between like a crop top and like just a boxy regular top. So I kind of just tucked it on the side just because, again, it was like in between. I didn't know if it should have been like longer, or you know what I'm saying. So I just figured that the tucked look would be cute. So then I paired it with these cute pair of shorts. These are from the brand, again, Free Assembly, and I got them in a size 6. And these were $18. So I feel like $18 is definitely a good price for a pair of shorts. And the material is very nice, just very structured material. The bottom of the pants is what caught my attention because I love a raw hem pant, short or anything. I just think it looks really cute. Again, y'all, I got them in a size 6, but I really needed to size up to a size 8 because they do fit me fairly tight. Like, I got in them, but I probably could use a size 8 just to have like a little bit more room so they're not so tight fitting. But I would definitely still say get your regular size, only because I'm in between sizes right now. So maybe I just, you know, maybe I just need to start sticking with a size 8 instead of a size 6. But yeah, cute shorts. They're not too short, but they're not long. They're kind of just perfect. But overall, it was really cute together. I'm just going for like a casual look. So I paired it with like some brown, girl, what do you call it? The brown stacks. I don't know if that's the word, but you know, it got like a little heel or whatever. Not a heel, but like a thick sole. So I paired it with some of those, and then a brown little purse just to make it very casual. And yeah, super cute. So this is the next thing I got, this super cute dress. Y'all, I think this is my favorite outfit out of the entire bunch. Like, this is right up my alley. Like, just super chill, comfortable. I'm a comfortable person, like, just right up my alley. So anyways, this is from the brand Free Assembly, and I got it in a size medium. I'm not sure of the price. It either is $15 or $18. When I got the dress, this was the last size medium, and she had to ring it up for me because it didn't have a tag. So again, y'all, I really want to say it's between $15 and $18, but y'all, I'll have it linked in the description box so you'll see it. But yeah, super cute dress. I'm so glad that I was able to find it because I actually went to another Walmart and they didn't have my size. So yeah, I felt like mediums are hard to come by. Anyways, it's not too long, it's not too short, it's really the perfect fit. And as well, it's not so oversized. Like, I feel like I could have sized up to a large just so it can have like a little bit of an oversized look, but I'm not mad at the fit. Like, it's fitted, but it's not fitted. So it's really just perfect. It's the perfect length. The material is cotton, and y'all, it's just really cute. And of course, I had to pair it with my Jordans. Like, I'm a sneaker girl, but you can dress this up if you want to. But again, I'm a sneaker girl, so I paired it with my Jordans. I put on some high top socks or whatever, and then a pink bag, and it just, girl, it just looks super cute. But again, if you want to dress it up, you can. So this is the last thing that I got, you guys. I could not do a haul without going to the men's section. You guys know how I feel about the men's section, and they've been slacking a little bit too, but I was able to snag up this set. So let's get into this top first. So the top, as you can see, is like this button-up top, and it's kind of like this tropical pattern or whatever, which drew me to it in this pretty blue. Like, it was just really cute. So it's from the brand Free Assembly. I got it in a size medium, and the top was $22. This also came in another color, like a dark blue color, and then they also had other colors like green, but it was a different pattern. But yeah, they had all types of sets, but this one caught my eye and it was super cute. You guys know I had to make it a little bit, you know, just a little feminine or whatever, so I did opt to tuck my shirt under my bra and kind of make it like a crop top, because I just wanted to give it that feminine touch. If you want, you can wear something like this and then have it open. I tried that and it just wasn't appealing to me. So yeah, I kind of just wanted to make it feminine and dress it up, so that's what I did. But it's a super cute top, and then it pairs with the bottoms. So initially I thought the bottoms was like swimwear, because it was giving me that swimwear look. The material is nice material. It's like a structured jean cotton material, like a mix. I don't even know what that mix would be, but then again it kind of felt like swim trunks. Like, girl, I was getting all type of mixed signals with these shorts, so I did look inside just to make sure it didn't have the lining for swim trunks, and it doesn't, so we're good. So it is a set, and they're just super cute. The shorts are kind of long. I thought they would have been shorter, because even men wears like the, you know, the little shorts or whatever, but they're not. They're a little long, which is okay. It's from the brand Free Assembly, again, you guys, in a size medium, and these shorts were $18. But yeah, y'all, they're super cute. It has this drawstring, and girl, I want to say, like, I know they pair together well, but it is a little off, and I'm not sure if you can tell or whatever. The darker blue, I like the darker blue, but the darker blue was way off. Like, you could tell, but it's a set, like it goes, but it is a little off, as to why I did want to make it crop, just so you can't really tell that it's a little off, but it goes together, but you know what I'm saying. But it's super cute. Again, y'all, I just wanted to make it feminine and dress it up, so I paired it with a clear sandal. I tried to color block it with a pink purse, because the blue and the pink go together, and yeah, just real chill vibes. So that concludes this haul. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.